one of finding vegetarian food in Seoul. I'm scared that I will starve today, so I just ate a lot for breakfast. Breakfast was amazing. It was actually more than I expected when I ordered it. So we are at the Bukchon village right now. Pronunciation questionable. And we were just thinking we would just find a cute coffee shop here, and Mix found a hidden one. And there was like no one. If you are looking for a nice coffee shop with not a lot of people and you just want to relax and you are in this area anyways, I think most tourists are in this area at least one day because here's like the village and the temple and everything. I can recommend this place. So I had this breakfast with yogurt and there was a waffle and a dessert and an egg, so random, but it tasted really good and it was a lot, which is the best case because honestly I feel like finding breakfast as a vegetarian is the easiest because you can just go with yogurt or pastries, fruit, whatever. I will just fill myself up, so hopefully I'm good until like afternoon, so I just have a snack and then dinner will be like the only problem. And the spot was really good to eat a lot for more or less reasonable price. Today will be more like a touristy day, I would say. Just exploring Seoul in general and eating some snacks in between. Maybe we can find some street food. That would be really cool to try some street food that's vegetarian. Now we got into a neighborhood that doesn't seem too touristy, and we found some food stands, and there's one where it's like a huge line. We don't know what it is, but I'm open to try it. We're both open to try it because we actually got a little bit snacky, and they have everything's actually a veggie option and it looks so good. I'm really craving this right now. I don't know what it is, but it looks really good, so yeah, let's try it. If you know what it is, let me know in the comments. I'm curious how it's called because it says so, but it's in Korean. Okay, let's try. So good. No clue what I'm eating. Oh my god, it smells good. Wait. There's noodles in there.
Japchae.
Oh.
Yeah?
Yeah, if you know what this is, let me know. It's a little bit sweet. I think the sauce inside is sweet. But it's not really greasy. I thought it's really greasy. It's not. It's really good. Try it. Try.
Oh, it's good.
That took a while.
Hot.
Oh, I don't know. Good,
It's
right?
like sweet and salty.
I know what I'm saying. It's like both. Good. We just did some Korean barbecue because I didn't want Mix to miss out. We have like vegetarian food every day because if you're in Korea you have to do Korean barbecue. And I was also very curious how Korean barbecue looks like, how they do it. Like I had actually no clue how it works. Oh my god, I'm so red, you're right. I got grilled too. Oh my god. Yeah, I think my skin really reacted to this grill there. Anyways, they had actually one vegan option, which was amazing. So if you are also vegetarian or vegan, but you don't want that your loved ones miss out, I can recommend this place. I would say it was like a 6 or 7 out of 10. It tasted really like, you know, this vegetarian or vegan patties you get on a burger. This is how it tasted like, so a little bit dry. But at least you have this experience how Korean barbecue works, and they also grill it for you, and they do it first so it doesn't touch the other meat, which is super thoughtful. And then you get with salad and some rice, have the kimchi and some garlic, which was really good. And yeah, overall was really good experience. If you're okay with seeing the meat and being in that place and smell like meat afterwards, I would highly recommend it. Like I don't have a problem with that at all. Do you like it?
Oh, so good.
Yeah, so at least you are happy. It's good. Yeah, as I said, if your whole family or boyfriend or whoever is with you and you don't want them to miss out, can highly recommend this place. It's called, oh, I told you, ZIU BBQ, right? ZIU. We're so cute when she grilled that for me. So the thing is, when I ordered it, the other lady gave me such a side eye. Like I would have been the first person ever ordering this. Like, are you sure you're on a barbecue place? But hey, what's on the menu you can order, right? And then the other lady that was grilling everything, she actually offered me one piece of meat. She was like, are you sure? Like you're missing out. I know that I'm missing out, but yeah, I'm not gonna break my streak just for like one tiny bit of Korean barbecue. Not gonna happen. So that was our first day. I would say pretty successful. I'm definitely filled up, which is good. That's what's like what I'm worried about. Not about like if it tastes good, more about like if I'm gonna starve or not. So first day was really good. I'm super full right now. Waiting for the bus and go home. And then we'll see what tomorrow will bring us. Good night. That word is basic. Let me know what you think about that. I don't think so. Look at this car, so cute. Oh, this smells good. It tastes different. I like it. I like it. excited I found this on the food stall.
You don't have sauce? Oh, you did.
Did she put sauce on it? That's right. Good. I don't know what veggie is in there, but it's good.
always eat that.
Is there like a... Pork octopus. I solid 7 out of 10.
Good.
No, not the best we can find yet, but it's good. We are in the Myeongdong area right now, and there's a night market with a lot of food stalls. Everything looks amazing, but the best part is I found so many vegetarian options. Okay, not gonna lie, being vegetarian in Seoul was definitely a challenge, but honestly, totally worth it. I'm already missing this city so much. And that fried patty thingy I had, I still have no clue what it's called, but it was amazing. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you would want to try. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos from our Asia trip.